So it's Friday, and we're off to
the Excel Centre
to go to the franchise show. How long have you lived in London for?
I don't know.
That's where we met last time. Okay, even though I forgot the tickets at home, managed to get in. Here we are.
I'm exploring.
The trick is to use both fingers, right? One finger on your answer sheet like this so you know what number you're doing, and then use your other hand to actually work it out. Good morning, Sunday morning, coming up to 10 o'clock. We're just starting a journey going up to Newcastle to meet our IT guys at Canny for a couple of days of fact-finding. Just arrived to pick up John, eating as usual, just waiting for him for a couple of minutes, and then we start our journey to Newcastle.
Alright, so we've just made it into Newcastle. That's our room. Full of ideas. Look at that.
Oh, my legs got up.
It goes on forever. Where have you walked today?
I was walking last night.
I was going to say you've been sitting in a car all day.
It's Monday morning, we're on our way to the meeting. Just going to grab some breakfast before we get there.
Press that, and then it, like, I don't know, a little window appears, and then you just put your comment in. And then that links to the student's account. We're just on our way back to the hotel after our meeting. It was very productive. It was
Very complicated as well.
Yeah. And now we're going to the pool to relax.
We just finished our first day of meeting and got about an hour to relax. So not too bad for a Monday.
Sorry, jealous.
Through the window.
That's what you do, right?
What, get out through the window?
Probably.
Have a nice day.
Yours
Real work starts tomorrow.
What are you looking for?
Shots.
There's obviously John being John. And that's what happens. What's it like being on this side? This side of the desk?
Humiliating.
It's like a massive wheelie board like that, and it all like connects to like Google Docs and slides and stuff, and you just write on it, and it's the class.
Oh
They're really, really, really good.
14,000 pounds.
Casual 14 grand. But like, it's
We need like 10 of them. One fork. Guess you're using your hands then. End of day 2 today. It's just gone 4 o'clock and we're setting off from Newcastle back down to London. Probably won't get home till about 11, 12. Hopefully we miss the traffic. So somebody left their phone in the car.
Yeah.